Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I will show you how you can save your battery health and improve your battery health at good level. Guys, if your iPhone battery draining is very fast and you are worried and you want to save your battery health at good level, I will tell you some few steps. By using these few steps, you can save your battery health at good level. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So simply click on setting app and scroll down. Here is an option general. Just simply click on general and scroll down. As you can see, background app refresh. Simply click on that background app refresh. As you can see, here is Wi-Fi and cellular data, and put it off. Putting it off can cause your battery saving. So go back and scroll down. Here is an option accessibility. Click on that and click on display and text size. Scroll down. Here is auto brightness. Just simply you must ensure that it is on. When it will off, it may cause of battery draining, so put it on. Go back go back. Here you can see an option battery. Click on battery. Click on battery health and charging. Here is optimize battery charging. You just put it on and then go back. Low power mode. You must toggle it off. By toggle it off, you can save your battery health. Set back, and here is privacy and security. Just simply click on privacy and security and location services. Click on location services and put it off. If it is on, you must put it off and then back. Here is an option tracking. Just simply click on tracking. Allows apps to request to track. Toggle it off. If it is on, you must toggle it off and then back, scroll. Here is display and brightness. Simply click on that, and if it is on light, just put it on dark mode. By putting dark mode, you can save your battery health. So guys, these were some steps. By using these steps, you can save your battery health. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it does, please leave a like and comment in comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video.